Open your cPanel and navigate to the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on it to open the Softaculous interface. Next to your domain name, click on Manage Users. Select your username, which is admin, and then choose to change the password. After the change is completed, click on Save. To verify, type your domain in the browser as follows: https://yourdomain.com wp-admin. Enter your new password at the WordPress login screen. If successful, you'll access the WordPress dashboard. Open your cPanel and locate the Databases section. Click on phpMyAdmin. On the left-hand side, search for the WordPress database you wish to modify. Note, you can find the database name under File Manager. Access your database and navigate to WPJJ Users, then click Edit. In the User Pass field, enter your new password, then click Go to save changes. To check if your password has been updated, go to https://yourdomain.com wp-admin. Log in with your new password. If successful, you will enter the WordPress dashboard.